Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make 4 DIY homemade face masks to make your skin soft, clear and glowy. So let's get started. The first mask I'm going to be using my favorite ingredient, which is curd. So like you can see in this bowl I have some homemade curd. The homemade curd is best, but if you don't have homemade curd you can definitely use the outside curd. That's absolutely fine. So to this curd I'm going to be adding some ingredients. The first ingredient I'm gonna add is this Yummy Herbal Skin Brightening Face Pack. Now this is an amazing face pack. I really like this, and this contains really amazing natural ingredients. If you guys want, you can pause the video over here and see what all ingredients it contains. And this mask really suits me well, and my skin looks really glowy, soft and beautiful after I use this mask. So this is a powder form, and you have to mix this with some ingredients. This is the face pack powder. You can see the color and everything, and this is like a really organic product, so it contains only natural ingredients. So I'm going to take a little bit of this face powder. You can see, so I'm going to take a little bit of this face powder, around this much, and I've added it to the bowl. Then the third ingredient that I'll be using is this hibiscus powder from the brand Luxura Sciences. Now this is also a really good product. It really suits my skin and gives a very good result, and it also has a lot of claims mentioned in the back, and it's also mentioned how you can use it on your face as well as on your hair. So if you want, you can like kind of pause and see a little bit about it. So if you want to use hibiscus powder, you can see a lot of other brands also in more affordable prices. You can find hibiscus powder. So this one retails for I think 650 rupees or something, but you can find it at more affordable prices. Use a little bit of this hibiscus powder also. So I've added a little bit of hibiscus powder also. Like you guys can see, it's actually stuck to the spoon. We're using some plain water to mix all of this and to make it into a paste form. So I'm just going to use plain water itself, but if you want, you can definitely use rose water. That's more helpful, more beneficial. So if you have rose water at home, you can definitely use rose water as well. So I like my mask to have a thicker consistency, so I'm just using a very less amount of water itself. But you can make it as thin or thick as you want, but I would recommend don't make it too thin, otherwise it might just start flowing on your face. So now you guys can see, this is the face pack. This is how it looks like. So after cleansing my face, I'm gonna apply this for 10-15 minutes, dry it and then remove it off. And while washing it off, I use a scrubbing motion, so that it also scrubs and removes the dead skin cells of my face. But at the same time, I also try my best to be as gentle as possible when scrubbing the mask, because you don't want to harm your skin. And I think using a face mask and scrubbing it while removing is actually a very good way of exfoliating, even better than the physical exfoliants that we use as face scrubs, because those face scrubs contain those granules which can cause micro ticks, both as a scrub as well as a face mask. So I really love this face pack. And yeah, so for our second face pack, I have again taken curd, you guys, and I'm gonna add some aloe vera gel into it. I'm going to take my Urban Botanics aloe vera gel. This is my favorite aloe vera gel because it's transparent, completely fragrance free, and it's a really good product. Look at the consistency. I'm going to take a little bit of it and I'm going to add it. And aloe vera has so many benefits. It moisturizes your skin and it's perfect for oily skin as well. So soothes active acne. Now I'm going to add again my hibiscus powder from Luxura Sciences. So I'm going to take a little bit of it. Now guys, if you don't have hibiscus powder, you can use any other powder that you have at home, any other herbal powder that you feel like would suit your skin. And I'm going to mix everything really well. And guys, if you feel like curd doesn't suit your skin, because I have used curd in all the 4 face packs, if curd doesn't suit your skin or anything like that, you can use rose water, or you can use raw milk if that suits you, or you can even use cucumber juice if that suits your skin. Third face mask that I'm going to show you is my absolute favorite, and again here I'm going to use curd, and I'm going to use a very amazing ingredient, and that is cocoa powder. I just love the kind of fragrance and the kind of feel that cocoa powder gives you in this mask. So I'm gonna take a little bit of cocoa powder, around half a teaspoon, around this much, and I'm gonna add it. So now I'm gonna add a little bit of honey, and look at the cute packaging of this honey, you guys. So I'm just gonna add like half a teaspoon, even less than half a teaspoon of honey, because it can make your face mask a little sticky. So you can see I've used like this much of honey. And now to mix all of this together, I need some water. Now again, instead of plain water, you can use rose water. So guys, I'm gonna mix everything together. Okay guys, so I've mixed everything together. You can see the consistency of this mask. It looks absolutely amazing. And it smells so good, you guys, because of the chocolate fragrance. The smell of chocolate is actually known to enhance your mood and is known to trigger your happy hormones. So because of that, you actually feel happy, and it really transforms your mood as well, trust me. So this mask is absolutely to die for, because like I said, I love the fragrance. Apart from the fragrance thing, it also works really beautifully on the skin. Just apply it on your face. It just feels so luxurious. It really makes my skin feel so soft and so glowy, and I love applying this face mask on my skin. If you haven't tried it, guys, trust me, you have to try this mask. It's one of my favorites. For the last and final option, again, I have taken curd over here, and I'm gonna add to this some honey and coffee. So guys, if you don't have cocoa powder at home, then this is an alternative mask for you. So instead of cocoa powder, I'm gonna use coffee powder. And again, I've taken like half teaspoon of honey, and I'm gonna also put some coffee powder into this. So guys, coffee is an excellent ingredient for scrubbing your face. So you can use coffee as a scrub, not just as a face pack. It also works as a scrub because of the granules that it has, and it also works as a natural skin polish. So it polishes your skin as well as works as a scrub and as a face pack as well. So again, this is also a really nice and delicious smelling face pack. You can look how it looks like. You can see the consistency. It also makes your skin feel so soft, glowy, and like I said, it also works like a scrub. So once your face mask dries, just wet your face and then start scrubbing in very gentle motions. So since it has coffee, it will, scrub your face and work as a natural exfoliant, and same time as a face pack, it will moisturize and make your face feel really soft and give your skin that beautiful glow. So yes guys, these are all my face masks. Now guys, one best part about all of these face packs is that since I've used very natural homemade ingredients, you can use them more than twice a week. Traditionally, it's said that you need to use a face mask just once. You need to mask your face once or twice a week only. But since these are natural face masks that you're making at home, you can use them even more than once or twice a week, like alternate days, or maybe like once in 3 days. Even I do that. So yeah, that's all for it. I also mentioned some alternatives. If any of these natural ingredients don't suit you, there are other alternatives that I have mentioned in this video. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you have any queries, or if you have any of your personal favorite face masks, you can share that with me in the comments. I would love to read. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give my video a big thumbs up. I shall see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.